In this video, we'll talk about how everything in Linux is a file. On the BeagleBone Blue, you can interact with the user LEDs as though they were files. So to show that, we can go to our where these files are kept for these devices. In this case, the LEDs. So we can do cd/sys/devices, and then if we tab, we can see platform, and then LEDs, and then if I just go into there, and ls, we can move into LEDs. We can see we have our green, red, Wi-Fi LEDs, as well as battery 100, battery 25, 50, 75 LEDs. And then you have your user 0, 1, and 2 LEDs, and 3. So we can interact with these LEDs. If, in this case, we'll do the red LED using the trigger. So if we cat trigger, we can see that this is a file that represents the LED as a device. So interacting with this file will let us modify the behavior of that LED. Right now it has none, and we can do echo. So echo will send anything we put in these quotes. Actually, you don't even need quotes. Anything you put after the echo command will output to the terminal. So if I do hello, it sends us hello. If I do world, it will do misspelled world. So let's echo, and we can choose one of these. So let's just do default on, which you can see right here is in here. And whatever has the square brackets around it is what is the current mode. So let's do, oops. And then we want to send that output, and that's what that greater than does, to the trigger file. So hit enter, and it doesn't have an output because it sends that output to the trigger file, which represents the LED device. And I can see on my BeagleBone that the red LED has turned on. I can also interact with, if you ls, you can see there's a brightness. So if I cat brightness, we have 255. It has a 0 to 255 range for brightness, and right now it's maxed out. You can see also if I print max brightness, we have 255. I can do cat 0 to brightness, and oh, my bad, echo is what I meant to say. And you can see, and well, you can. My LED has turned off, and I can set that back to 255, and the LED is turned back on. You can also do other cool stuff like echo, for example, CPU or activity, and so like here's disk activity. And I can echo that to our trigger. And oh, if we so now that LED is showing us our disk activity, and if I ls, or sorry, if I cat, if I trigger, you can see that disk activity is currently the mode that LED is on. That's how you interact with devices through their files.